Photobiomodulation, an emerging non-invasive way to treat Alzheimer's disease using neuroprotective and neurogenesis strategies. This important article is authored by the following scientists: amyloid beta A beta plaques, tau hyperphosphorylation, neuroinflammation, and synaptic dysfunction are characteristic features of Alzheimer's disease (AD), a neurodegenerative disorder that compromises cognitive performance. Notwithstanding extensive research endeavors, there remain limited efficacious therapeutic alternatives for AD. Low-level light therapy (LLLT) within the red and near-infrared spectrum is employed in photobiomodulation (PBM), a non-invasive method that has demonstrated potential as a neuroprotective intervention, influences mitochondrial activity, modifies reactive oxygen species (ROS), regulates calcium homeostasis, and diminishes neuroinflammation, crucial elements in AD pathophysiology. Recent investigations demonstrate that PBM mitigates a beta toxicity by augmenting mitochondrial function and facilitating a beta elimination. Furthermore, PBM aids in maintaining the integrity of the blood-brain barrier, enhances cerebral blood flow, and facilitates neurovascular coupling, all of which are vital for neuronal health. This chapter examines how PBM alleviates cellular and molecular dysfunctions associated with AD, emphasizing its impact on oxidative stress, energy metabolism, and synaptic plasticity. Furthermore, it explores the possibility of incorporating PBM into multimodal therapeutic approaches for AD. This chapter underscores the revolutionary capacity of PBM in enhancing neurotherapeutic strategies for AD. Introduction. Alzheimer's disease, AD, is the most common cause of dementia, marked by memory loss, confusion, and brain damage caused by toxic protein buildup. Although research has advanced, treatments mainly focus on relieving symptoms rather than stopping the disease. A promising new approach is photobiomodulation, PBM, a non-invasive therapy using red and near-infrared light to stimulate brain cells. PBM boosts energy production, reduces inflammation, protects neurons, and improves blood flow in the brain. It may also help clear harmful waste from brain tissue. Scientists are exploring ways to deliver light safely and effectively deep into the brain, such as through the skull or nose. This chapter highlights how PBM could offer a powerful new strategy for treating Alzheimer's by targeting multiple disease processes at once, potentially leading to better brain health and slowing disease progression. Conclusion. While photobiomodulation, PBM, shows exciting potential to treat Alzheimer's disease, AD, several challenges need to be solved before it can become a common therapy. Different studies use varying light settings, making it hard to agree on the best treatment method. Scientists still don't fully understand exactly how PBM protects brain cells, though it is known to boost energy and reduce stress inside cells. More large, long-term clinical trials are needed to confirm how well PBM works for different types and stages of AD. Current PBM devices also struggle to deliver light deep enough into the brain, especially in advanced disease. Newer, portable devices could help make treatment easier and more accessible. Researchers are also exploring combining PBM with other therapies to improve results. Despite these hurdles, PBM remains a promising, non-invasive option that could one day play a major role in fighting Alzheimer's. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.